阿朱老師活咗咁多年人，要佢盤點一個最驚見到學生作文會用嘅字，我會揀呢個 ameliorate。ameliorate 佢嘅意思係改善啊。咁有一日我睇 Netflix， 唔記得係 Breaking Bad 定 Better Call Saul 咧，見到呢一幕咧係笑鬼死我嘅。
Unless you could help me find a third party.
What third party?
Someone who can ameliorate the situation.
Let's ditch the thesaurus, all right? You talking about a hitman?
Assuming that's still what they're called.
Wrong answer. That's what the kids call epic fail.
All I would need is a phone number.
Because whatever Goomba we buy at some point is going to come head-to-head with our friend Mike. And Gus Fring, hey, just winging that guy is not going to ameliorate your situation. Not by a damn sight.
呢個真係我有記憶以嚟睇書加睇劇夾埋嘅第一次兼唯一次聽到見到有人外國人用呢個字 ameliorate。佢來自呢個神劇主角化學之神 Walter White 嘅口，但係佢嘅對手係一位律師，都係受過高等教育嘅知識分子，聽到嘅時候都不禁嚇一跳，然後講咗呢句非常抵死嘅 Let's ditch the thesaurus， 唔該掉咗本同義詞字典，講返人話啦，好嘛？之後更加抵死嘅係律師都忍唔住要用一用呢個字，潤一潤佢嘅拍檔 Walter White。呢個時候必須要亮出雙手，兩隻食指，兩隻中指為 ameliorate 加上引號。一句講晒就係連呢位叫 Saul 嘅律師都頂阿 Walter White 唔順，頂唔順佢喺度咬文嚼字，雕龍雕鳳。而最盞鬼嘅係，以上對話都只不過係神劇裏面虛構出嚟，可以見到獲獎無數嘅神級編劇心目中 ameliorate 呢個字係幾咁有象徵性或者戲謔意味。話咩一轉，我哋嚟到 Anagram， 我哋比較下 ameliorate 和他的朋友們。見到呢條藍色線，自古以嚟都係努力咁墊底，示範緊何謂超低頻用字。咁你話墊底咪好咯，咁咪夠特別咯，夠冷門咯，夠偏鋒咯，即係我有人冇，人冇我有咯，咁咪掂晒咯，仲唔係5星星？我相信第一位將呢個字收錄落筆記嘅仁兄都係咁諗嘅，我稱佢為 Teacher Zero。我相信佢係一位補習老師，而且係相當成功嘅一位補習老師，先會有眾多嘅門生幫佢將呢個字好似病毒咁散播開去，同時令全港嗰啲好似我咁字都唔識多隻嘅 DSE 閱卷員或者日校老師學識呢一個字，而且事隔多年，講緊嘅係10年以上之後嘅今日，似乎都仲有好多補習老師係教緊呢一個字。除咗抄襲，我諗唔到任何解釋。不過冇比較冇傷害啊！放埋之前2集講過嘅2個 phrase 落去呢，就發現 ameliorate 係遙遙領先，原來都係一句人話嚟㗎喎。相對上啊 ，to commence with 同 fellow schoolmates 真係被比下去喎，而 fellow schoolmates 直情係一直死氣沉沉，從來冇展示過半點生命跡象。如果用陰謀論去諗，我會話呢一啲咁刁鑽，將成個 DSE 英文生態搞彎晒嘅超低頻用字，會唔會係當初呢位元祖 Teacher Zero 特登放落自己筆記嘅山埃毒藥，從而去睇下，即係好似顯影劑咁樣睇下留咗去邊一個同行嘅筆記，咁咪知道邊個喺度盲目抄襲，有字都唔識多隻咯。同學當然要俾錢呢位 Teacher Zero 上佢堂先會獲得解藥一樽，免受呢啲山埃筆記嘅毒害。結論係今時今日，如果仲有補習老師係有筆記再有呢個字 ameliorate 或者 to commence with，而佢朗讀出嚟嘅時候都係毫無異樣或者難識，咁我就憑呢個指標呢，我會話我對呢位老師係不推薦。而假如仲要係同一課或者同一份筆記裏面有齊 ameliorate 同埋 to commence with 呢一對孖寶嘅話呢，我勸你即刻退學， 學費交咗由得佢即走。